All right, everybody. You got Dave here and Louisa from Cell House Columbus, and we are working with Nathan and Brittany. We are getting ready to close their house tomorrow, so we're a little premature, but we already saw I already saw the paperwork. Everything's getting ready to go. The money's in the account at the title company, and you guys are getting ready to sell your house tomorrow. So, are you guys pretty excited to sell the house, get it done?
Yes, we're very excited, ready to just have this over with.
Absolutely. So how did you first find us as Cell House Columbus? I think it was you, Nathan. You did some digging online, or was that you, Brittany?
That was Nathan.
Yeah, I just had looked up, companies that, were able to kind of work with and, sell your house quickly. And Sell House one of the first ones that kind of popped up that, didn't look shady or like a scam. So
That
was able to kind of look through that and see, other people had good results using you guys and was kind of able to, reach out and see how that all worked. And then, it kind of came together really quickly. So
that literally is what Nathan said to me on the when I first talked to him on the phone. He's like, "Well, you guys just look like you're not a scam," and I'm like, "Oh, perfect. We're not. We're real. We're here in Columbus, and your guys' house was in Columbus." And then Brittany, how was your experience working with our team, Louisa, and your experience throughout this whole process?
Oh my gosh, it was so smooth and just so easy. Luisa was great. I mean, you were great too. Everybody has just been wonderful. Everyone you referred us to, to buy a new house was amazing. Everything just went so smoothly, and I was thinking it was going to be a big headache to sell the house, and you guys made it seem perfect and seamless, and I honestly couldn't thank you enough for taking care of all of the things in the background.
And you guys as well. I mean, it takes two to tango. Whenever we needed something or the title company needed something, you guys are very organized, and it always helps, when we can communicate as
Yeah.
well as we did and let us do our job, especially Lou here, does a lot for us. And final question for you, Brittany. What would you say to someone else who wants to sell their house fast, easy, and have a convenient path to sell their house?
Oh, I've already recommended Nathan's mom actually to you guys. So she wants to sell her house within the next couple of years, and I already recommended, you guys. And I told her, I said, if you guys want, an easy, stress-free process, call Dave. Like call his team because it is super simple to just, get the house sold and we didn't have to worry about it. Like I said, it was stress-free and it was just really nice to be able to focus on the new house and, moving in and unpacking and you guys made it very nice.
Yeah, and for those watching this video, we actually helped them find a new house. They worked with a different team member of ours, a kind of outside team member, and that was Jacob. And Jacob did a good job for you guys, helping you find one, and we helped you sell this one. And so, if you're watching this video and you need help at all, I mean, we love people here. Even if we can't help you, we'll point you in the right direction. We got a great network, and we can help anyone really in any situation. And Lou, what would you like to share with Nathan and Brittany?
Sure. So I want to thank you all for your time and for your for sharing your experience. Your feedback really helped us improve and grow. And it was a pleasure working with you here today. And we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
okay.
Takes a
Thank you.
village to get these things done. It takes a tribe, and Lou is a very important part of our tribe. So if you have a house in Columbus or anywhere in Central Ohio, or really anywhere across the entire state of Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, just like Nathan and Brittany did, let us do the heavy lifting for you. Give us a call today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at Cell House Columbus, just like Nathan found us online. You could do a Google search. You can see we got hundreds and hundreds of reviews and testimonials and just positive references that we're happy to share with you. So if you have a house anywhere in Ohio or in Central Ohio or in Columbus and you want to sell fast, contact us today on behalf of Louisa, myself, and Nathan and Brittany. We look forward to speaking with you and we look forward to working with you.